It's 4:30. Time to get her going. This gorgeous bike over here, the Indian. And the other gorgeous bike over here, the Valkyrie. The Valkyrie's just chewing up the miles like it was nothing. And then this guy over here, the Harley. The Harley, the old traditional. You can't go wrong, Harley. This beast here is ready to do something today. All blacked out, ready for robbery.
They've been poking at the wolf. Now the wolf got teeth. They forgot I came from fire, and I don't do peace. Cross that line, boy, that's your last mistake. Cause I don't want twice, I just raise the stakes. You threaten mine, and you threaten your life. I don't do prayer circles, I return the strike. Ain't no fear in my bones, ain't no backing out. Say my name wrong once, and I'm hearing it out. I'll burn this bitch down, don't test my flame. You play with hellfire, you say my name. You come for my people, I'll take your crown. I swear to God, I'll burn this bitch down. I'll burn this bitch down, leave nothing behind. Push me too far, I'll lose my mind. You want that smoke, I'll bring that sound. One last chance before I burn this bitch down. Woke up with a mouth full of ashes and blame. Now I tried to chain me to yesterday's name. Mirror said sinner, but my heart said fight. Ain't a grave deep enough to hold my light. I slept in a ditch with a thunder for sheets. Ball gun with a bottle and lost 2 weeks. But pain taught patience and scars taught grace. I put steel in my spine and fire in my face. Yeah, I hear the knocking, but I ain't opening that door. Tell the devil I'm busy, I got living to do. Got a soul that won't sell and a sky right through. He can circle like a vulture, but I won't be his fool. Tell the devil I'm busy choosing the truth. The phone keeps buzzing with the ghosts I fed. Whole lot of almost living rent free in my head. I've loved good people in a bad man's hour. I burn down bridges just to watch my power. But smoke clears slow and I see what remains. A woman who prayed and a friend who stayed. I ain't the same dog howling at the moon. I'm the hammer on the nail singing change me soon. You want a piece of me? Get in line behind mercy. Living to do, got a soul that won't sell and a sky right through. He can circle like a vulture, but I won't be his fool. Tell the devil I'm busy choosing the truth.
Okay, now the long haul. We're gonna pound it all the way to Vegas before it gets 120.
I shook hands with hell just to learn how to try. If grace is a road, then hand me my boots, cause I'm walking it sober with nothing to lose. Not today, not tonight.
Okay, we're hiding out in the bushes because it's so freaking hot.
There's a homeless construction worker.
He's got his vest on and everything.
Holy shit.
And it's 117. Look at that. We gotta go 2 miles in 117. Okay, 117 degrees. 117. This beast right here ran in downtown Vegas Boulevard traffic in first gear, non-stop, back and forth at 107. What? T. Good job. So now we're enjoying the air conditioning.
Yeah. The only thing was we were planning to go to
Look at all these guys.
Easy. Got down there.
Yeah.
We rode tail.
107,
We just kept on going.
117 degrees.
It would have been better.
Ready? Okay, you gotta put your hand up.
Put it down.
No, just as you. That's it. That's all you gotta do.
That's about as easy and painless as can be.
I know. That is a nice dealership right there. But that little place right there, the deli, when COVID came, they closed down, and then they just never reopened. So the deli is no more at the Vegas HD dealer. Okay, it's only 3 o'clock, but we found this is a nice neighborhood. Got the bikes here. It's 118 degrees, but when you come inside, oh, the AC feels so good. We got downstairs. Do you a quick tour of the house. Wow. Look at us. We're high rollers.
4 beds so far.
Woo!
How many of us? 5 of us?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Well, it looks like we're living large tonight. We got bathrooms, nice beds.
Oh, shit.
Get the fan going. Couple more. This is nice. How's the upstairs look?
There's one, yeah.
A bedroom up there? The master? Where it all happens? Let's see.
What's downstairs?
Oh yeah, look at that. Wow. Oh, this is cool. Okay, we're going downstairs now.
Coolest. In my house, the basement's the coolest.
Oh yeah, this is.
Oh yeah.
Oh boy, they got a lot. You got like a little mini. You could, yeah, you got a microwave, fridge,
Nice.
another big bed,
Okay.
and a huge.
Got all big beds. We won't have to worry about playing games.
Yeah.
It's a
God
nice
dang,
room.
we
this
might
would
have.
be my favorite. Actually.
Yeah, I think you're right. If you win, are you going to take this one?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
If. I'm not lucky.
You almost have like your whole pad right here. And then they got a
I
backyard.
could even sleep on the couch and it probably wouldn't be too bad.
Yeah.
All right, where's the pool?
Oh, look at this.
Looked at his car.
It was.
Yeah.
It would have won on the high as well.
Hey, D, you just wait over there for a minute. We'll get right back to you. Yeah.
Hold on. And ace. Are we doing low or high?
Low again.
Okay.
Isn't it always low?
Aces are ones.
Okay.
Come on,
Okay.
D.
Low. So,
You guys got to pick. I don't get to pick. 'Cause
where's
I'm-
the trick card?
Yeah, because he
Yeah.
got.
He's going, come on there.
Yeah. Well, the good thing is I don't feel bad tonight because they're all nice.
Okay.
They're all good.
Uh-oh. 10.
Ooh, 10.
That was
5,
just
2.
jumping.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, so 1,
You
2,
got the
3,
first
4.
Oh, that's right. That's right.
So you have first choice of what you want.
I like the downstairs.
You want it downstairs?
Yeah, downstairs in the
You
basement.
have second choice.
Isn't there a big bed back in there?
Nope.
Oh, there's one big one
I gotta go.
upstairs.
Well, I have a
too.
basement.
There's no big bed back there. Don't run. You don't even have to look.
Pretty sure I saw one.
Our basement's cool at our house, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, shit. Play a hand. Ready?
You got to test them. One with the one.
He's checking. They're all big.
Oh.
Is that good? Yeah?
I'll go upstairs.
Oh, there's.
Go bathroom. Is that
Yeah.
going to be me and Jeff?
Yeah. Darren and Jeff are going to be in there.
Okay, I'll take upstairs.
Okay, he's taking upstairs.
Yeah. Sean wanted downstairs.
Sean wanted downstairs.
That leaves us all on this one.
You and Darren are sure.
I'll take this one. I'll take this one.
You can pick my pick, can't you?
Well, not if we're sharing a room.
Well, you get to pick. One of these there, I get the little. I can pick my choice.
He picks a little bed again.
Which one do you want, brother?
I'm gonna pick this one right here.
Oh, then which one do you want, Darren? Because I don't care. I'm not gonna steal yours tonight.
It don't matter. I'll take one of the bigger ones. If you want the big one, I can go either one.
You could push those two beds together.
Actually, that
brother.
might be all right.